Are you tired of messy cabinets and stacked pans falling every time you open the door? Meet the ROOHUA Pot Rack, your new kitchen organizer that brings peace to the chaos. Body benefits and features, expandable and adjustable. The ROOHUA Pot Rack is designed with flexibility in mind. You can expand or shrink it to fit your kitchen cabinet or countertop, making it perfect for both small and large spaces. 10 adjustable compartments. Comes with 10 removable dividers that you can place according to your cookware size, whether it's a frying pan, pot, or baking tray. Multifunctional design. Not just for pans, this rack also works great as a lid holder, cutting board organizer, or bakeware separator. Sturdy and durable. Made with heavy-duty iron and coated in a bronze finish, it's not only strong but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Easy to assemble. No tools needed. You can set it up in minutes. No screwdriver, no hassle. Protects cookware. The U-shaped groove design with anti-slip rubber coating keeps pans stable and prevents scratches or damage. Drawbacks. Balanced view. Not ideal for very large cookware. If you have oversized woks or Dutch ovens, fitting them might be a bit tricky. Takes up horizontal space. Though expandable, it still requires enough width inside your cabinet. Make sure to measure first. Plastic dividers could be sturdier. Some users feel the plastic slots that hold the dividers could have been made a little more robust for long-term use. So, if you're looking to declutter your cabinets, protect your cookware, and add a touch of style to your kitchen, the ROOHUA Pot Rack is a smart and stylish investment. Organize smarter, not harder. Your kitchen deserves it.